How to create a digital products and services e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account, and if you already have an account, just go with login and proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, you click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds to load, and here it's loading, as you can see. So after typing your password, you click on login. So after logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after typing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you. Then you do the same with this other question, and then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of digital products and services, so I'm going to choose the professional services category. And if you can't find your category in this list, just go with the other, then click on continue. And then if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address. If not, just skip this step and give them a few seconds to build your store. And then you proceed to your dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard, and in your right you have the edit site button and also the design now button, and both of them take us to the editing phase. And here in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you, starting with website, where you have again the edit site button and also the domains button, where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where we have the site items if you want to create new products or change the ones that you already have. Then we have the sites categories if you want to create categories for the products that you already created, or if you just want to create categories. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. And that's it for this section. Let's proceed to the next one, which is orders, where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, and also the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings or your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you can check the site's traffic reports, site activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just click on summary. Then we have the marketing section, and in this section you will find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And again, if you want to see the summary of all these tools, just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings section, where we have the general settings, where you go if you want to change your company name, also your address, your email, and your phone number. So in this general settings, you will be able to change all of these that I mentioned. So you just need to give it a few seconds to load, and then you will be able to change all of them, as you can see, starting from company name, address, email, and phone number. And then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account. Then we have the sales taxes, where you can set your tax settings, and also we have the units, where you can change your language and also edit your units. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase. So just wait for it to load, and then we will click on the edit site button right here. Click on edit site, and then give it a few seconds to load. It will not take that much, it will take just 30 seconds. As you can see, just a second while we build your store, your site. So it will take around 30 seconds, and here it will start to load. As you can see, here we have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. So here they will show the styles. As you can see, the site styles, and we will just wait for the store to be fully loaded to choose one of these styles and check if it fits our store or our site. Just give it a few seconds to fully load, and as you can see, it's fully loaded right now. So let's choose one of these styles to see what fits our store. So I'm going to go with this one and hide styles. Let's check. So I think this style will do just good. Click on apply site styles, and then you proceed to the site's design, where you can again change the site styles, or you can add an image to be your logo, change the colors, change the fonts, which I'm going to change. I'm going to change it from this one to Comforta, this one Comforta, and let's leave it like that. Then click on done. Then I'm going to change the shape of the buttons and images to rounded, and again to rounded. Then click on done. And if you want to change these elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free version to the paid one, and when you're done, you click on done. Then if you want to set your domain, just search for a domain name in here. If not, just close this one and then dismiss all, dismiss. Here you have the plus button if you want to add a new section or one of these others, page, item, or category. And here you have the sections and pages and categories and so on that you have in your template. If you want to delete one of them, hide or show it, change the placement of it, change the settings of it, and so on. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.